Hey guys, welcome back to Regular Secular Mama. Today we're working on Christmas cards. So we have all of our stuff out. Let's see, can I turn this around? No, I can't, but I'll turn it around in a minute and show you what we have out. I really don't have any like rhyme or reason. There's no plan. We're just pulling out everything we have that could possibly be used for festive holiday cards and going at it. Every year our homeschool group in the county does a holiday party, and this year I am in charge of the Christmas card exchange. Everyone is to bring between 1 and 5 cards. I think most people are going to make handmade cards like we are, or they might purchase them, I'm not really sure. This is the first card exchange I've ever done, so it should be fun. All right, here we are. We cleaned up and made a mess. So we've got all of our stuff out. Everything I had that could possibly be used to make Christmas cards is out. We have our scrapbook materials and paper and all kinds of stuff. I didn't give them any direction at all. They just took some stickers and paints and went at it. In fact, I don't even know what the finished product really looked like because they stuffed them into envelopes as soon as they were done. So the kids did lose interest after a while, but that's okay. I really got into it once I had some space, and I really miss paper crafting, but I just don't have time for that stuff anymore. Man, all this crafting is making me hungry. I also managed to squeeze in a quick game of Stratego, which I annihilated my daughter in.
Hey, kitty.
What a mess.
Oh, and what an adorable.
All right, before we get cleaned up, I thought I'd share some of my favorite paper crafting supplies. A lot of this is left over from when I used to scrapbook all the time, and now I don't have time for that. This is something that has served us very well over the past, I don't know, year or so that we've had it.
Happy.
So here's this. I believe we got this at Michael's. I think they have the Paper Studio products. So I'll try to find a link and share those, but we've had this for over a year and they come in handy for birthdays or thank you notes or now holiday cards. They're just blank cards with envelopes and they come in, really cute colors, so they have come in handy. That's super cute.
Happy.
Do you want me to share that with them?
Sure.
He wants you to see these cute little stars. It's one of these. Oh, where is it?
Happy.
This little like ribbon sticker thing. Another product that came in really handy were these glue dots, and I can attest to how long they last. These have got to be years old, like maybe 6 or 7 years old, and they still work just as good as new. I just used them today. My son would like to share about how much they love these glitter glue tubes. What are they? Tulip fabric paint.
They're called trash cans.
They're called trash cans. Right. They say they're for fabric, but we've been using them on paper because they're nice and puffy, like, puff paint. All right, the last supply I'd like to share with you guys is this amazing box. Let's see, it says Flambeau. I don't know, I don't remember where I bought this. It's also years old, but it has always come in handy for organizing little tools and ribbons and, embellishments and things like that. While we were making our cards, the kids had a really great time using these little stamp die cut things. These are really cool. Now we have crickets and things like that. I don't actually have a cricket, but I have a friend who does. But if you don't have a cricket, these are like, I don't know, $5 or $6 each, I think, depending on the size. And they're really neat. And the finished product, they turned out so good. Hey guys, sorry it's kind of dark, but I wanted to wait until after my kids went to bed to film this last part. I hope you enjoyed joining us for crafting our Christmas cards this year. It was just a really fun, relaxing day playing with my kids and making Christmas cards. We've been really enjoying our nice long winter break. And I hope you've been enjoying these Vlogmas videos. If you are, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Also, jump down to the comment section and let me know how you normally like to do your Christmas cards for the year. Do you put your picture on them and order them from a website? Do you make them yourself, or how do you do it? All right, well, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.